I'm Walter, and you're?
Hayley.
And what do you do at Think Tank?
We actually represent the importer. We're Amplis, and I'm the president of the company. So there you go.
Madam President, thank you very much. So let's talk about these new bags.
Awesome. There are 4 colors and 2 sizes. It's a roll top, the first roll top that Think Tank has introduced with a magnetic closure. So you have room for your personal gear in the top. And you can also remove all of these inserts if you want to have your lens go all the way down to the bottom, which is awesome. It's water resistant because there are no zippers exposed. And you can carry a laptop inside.
Oh, it's like a little sleeve?
That's right. There's a little pocket.
How big can you go?
The smallest one is 14 inches, and the larger version you can have 15.4.
How about that? That sounds like a perfect for MacBook Pro.
Exactly.
And what do you have on your back?
This is also the FocusPoint. With all of our Think Tank bags, you can rotate them around the front when you're wearing your waist belt, and then you can open the back pocket to access your gear. So you can use it as a table for security, to keep your bag clean. And then you can close it up and you can change your lenses on it and everything.
That's pretty amazing.
There you go.
And what else should we know about these?
Lifetime warranty, which is pretty awesome. And again, like I said, 4 colors.
2 sizes, right?
Sizes, that's right. 22 liter and 30 liter.
And for those that don't know about Think Tank, what is Think Tank known for?
We are the working professionals bag. So this was designed by 2 working pros who did a lot of sports photography. The products on the market were not good enough for them, so they designed their own bag line.
And just to sneak it up, this is probably one of the latest versions, but they started off with a bag that was slightly higher than this. And this is probably, by now, it's probably about the 8th different version of it as it.
Absolutely.
Oh, let's see that. That's new.
With my assistant. So this is the Roller 20 version 2.
That's nice.
With 4 wheels that spin.
And these are nice. These are upgraded wheels too, I can tell.
Absolutely. And
whoa. And they're independent.
yes, pretty cool. And again, with Think Tank, all of these parts are replaceable. We stock the handles, the wheels. That's right. And we also have a longer plastic protection cover at the back here, so when you're dragging your bag up the stairs.
Which we all do.
That's right. You're not going to ruin your
Let's talk about these zippers.
They're YKK zippers. You know this better than I do.
which in the field, it's the gold platinum standard.
Absolutely.
And now this is sort of water resistant, correct?
Absolutely. They're not seam sealed particularly, but each bag comes with a rain cover.
Which is kick butt. So this is the Airport Roller Derby version 2, which has 4 wheels, but 2, 4, 6. But 8 independent wheels for smooth operation, because Think Tank realizes that a lot of people travel on planes, and there's a lot of these suitcases. Instead of pulling behind you, now you can be nice and sachet and go like this. Now, the one cool thing about Think Tank is also this bag can also go on this, right?
That's right.
Let's show that off. Oh, well, I know what I'm talking about, huh?
This is awesome.
What?
They all have a little pass-through strap. You can put.
Yep. So when you get to the airport, which I fly everywhere, they're going to look at your bag, and then what you do is you get to the airport, so you save your bag. Then you take this bag off, put it in your back, which is now your personal item, and then you have this item which fits on. This is the international bag, correct?
That's right. Well, it's roller derby, so it's even smaller. So it's totally airline check-in, carry-on compatible.
Which is awesome.
That's right. So most of our bags are carry-on. Some of the commuter planes obviously take smaller bags, but
does this one come in a bigger version too?
With the 4-wheel spinner, not yet.
Not yet, but you hit it.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so this has been. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, one of the other cool things, which I'll show you right now. When you put it in a different position, once it locks in. Oh, that for a sec. It doesn't. You can have it in different positions without it slipping on you, which is huge. And it goes, and I'm 6 foot something, and I feel comfortable because a lot of times these types of bags, the way down here, it's not going to bend. Look at me.
Do you want a job?
I do have a job.
There you go.
So this has been Walter Van Dusen at the ProFusion Expo 2025 with Hayley.
Right, Hayley from Amplis, that's right.
And this has been an exclusive new bags, a little demo of the new Derby with 4 wheels, but 8 independent wheels, which is kick butt, white, KK. So it's not, and one of the things I do, which George likes too, is we showcase products that you buy once and not have to worry about it because you have a,
Warranty.
yeah.
Lifetime.
You could buy ones that don't have that, but I still have my bags from 20 something years ago. So these are phenomenal.
Thank you.
High five.
Thank you.
Thank you. Awesome. Great job.
Thank you.
Thank you. And these are on VISTEK's website?
Great. I thought it was so wild.
Oh, okay, cool.